Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome back to another exciting episode of Griddle Porn. Today it's yucky, a little chilly for July, but that's a perfect day to barbecue, isn't it? And we're going with jackfruit, barbecue jackfruit. Keep in mind, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I did read the can directions though, and it said drain, and I did that. So, there's our jackfruit. Yum. I have had barbecued jackfruit before, and it was absolutely incredible. Maybe I should have put some avocado oil. Da, 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 da. That's better. Got this down, but da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Anyway, believe it or not, this weird looking stuff, when it's done, it's going to look like shredded pork. Or at least it's supposed to. Hopefully. Smells sweet right now. Sweet. Add a little bit more avocado oil. And throw in some garlic, because everything's better with garlic. And yeah, we'll go ahead and sprinkle in some chives instead of chopping up an onion. And I may add more, or get onion powder or something. I have no idea how long or any of that. I'm going to trim this down a little. Okay. We can trim this side off, I think. Some of my homemade seasoning after I get everything closer together. Because everything's better with homemade seasoning, right? Right. And if we're going to have barbecue, we should add some barbecue sauce. This is probably 3 or 4 years old that I picked up at a discount grocery. Ugh. And expired 2 years ago. But we'll just griddle all the fatness out of it, the botulism out of it, right? I'm sure it's good. But I did get it from the discount grocery, where I love to cook. Look at that, you smother it in barbecue sauce and it almost looks like it's not jackfruit. Almost. And let's speed up the chopping process a little with a knife. Saw that stupid Australian movie 40 or 50 years ago, and I still can't resist saying that's not a knife, with a horribly bad accent. Can't remember what day it is. Can't remember what I'm supposed to be doing on the griddle. Can't remember what I walked in the room for, but I can remember a stupid one-liner from a movie 50 years ago. Okay. That helped us shred it a little. And I can do this a little now, so it's softening. And it actually is starting to look more meaty. Scrape that off. Scrape that off. Okay. Looking more and more barbecue-y. And let's add some more chives, because can't have too many chives, right? And pick up the ball that was trying to trip us. May have been better to do the chopping and shredding when I drained it, but I didn't want to. I wanted to do it here to see if I could. And it's looking, it really is looking and smelling like a sweet barbecue. Let's take a little piece here. Ooh, it's hot. Shreds just like pork. Still tastes really fruity. Sweetness. So it's like you're having a sweet Hawaiian barbecue. Now the really delicious jackfruit barbecue I had before didn't taste like fruit at all. It tasted like a really delicious barbecue. But they didn't griddle it. They made it like in a slow cooker or something. Which may make a difference, or it's possible they just knew what they were doing and I don't. It's getting close though. Maybe we could add a little bit more homemade. I haven't used this lately. My liquid smoke. That'll give it a little smoky flavor, don't you think? stir that up a little. You notice I didn't measure the barbecue sauce. I just dumped it on there till it looked proper, and that appears to have been just right. Oh, get back over here. It's definitely stickier now. I don't know if that's the sauce or canned jackfruit just gets sticky or what the deal is. But definitely sticking. Okay. Move that aside. And we can't have barbecue without buns. So we'll get a couple of buns. What's that, Baja? No, I don't think so. And this is the ghee I made yesterday, which is not very liquidy. It was when I finished, so I probably did something wrong. Let's see if it can... What, Baja? Okay. I don't know if I'll be able to rescue that lid or not. So let's go with avocado oil instead of ghee. Now we know how to make a ghee cannon, if nothing else. Yeah, that went down the hill. Crazy, man, crazy. Yeah, I'm guessing I didn't get all the solids out. Maybe I should have boiled my ghee a little longer. Lesson learned. And we'll let that go a little bit longer. Stir this, or do that. That's cool. Should we do it again? No, let's not do it again. So, let's take a look there. Barbecue jackfruit, yum. Hopefully. La, 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 la. Let go a little bit more. Get a little bit more toasty. Da, 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 da. So, canned jackfruit, barbecue sauce, canned garlic, canned onion, uncorked non-ghee, and that's it. Canned biscuits. No, we didn't can the biscuits. Okay, this has a little bit of the toastiness. Slap on some barbecue jackfruit. Turn off the griddle. And move this over to the unheated area. And what do you say we give it a taste, shall we? There's the sandwich. Ta-da! Somewhere a mile or two away, there's a top of a squeeze bottle. Mm-hmm. That's good. Not as good as what my friend made, but she probably used real uncanned onions and real uncanned garlic and real uncanned everything else except the jackfruit. But that's it's a sweet barbecue pulled jackfruit. Good stuff. So thanks for watching, and that's a wrap, y'all.